Welcome back guys, and today let's have a look at my interpretation of a survival EDC pouch / organizer system. So let's see how I fitted all of these and much more that are not currently shown in this video. All of this is possible because of the Vanquest FTIM 6x9 Gen 2 organizer. I wanted something on the bigger side to be capable of having as many items as possible. Not only that, I wanted something durable and waterproof. Of course, what I'm about to show you is nowhere near like the ultimate formula for any scenario, but just my vision of stuff I would regularly need. So this pouch by Vanquest is just amazing. The company is all about quality and overbuilt, which is exactly my doctrine for this system. It's made from Cordura, which is a military grade fabric, which is basically water repellent and very durable. It has these Spartan zipper pulls, as they call it, for quick access and ease of deployment, much like those military medical pouches. Inside we have two main pockets and up to 29 elastic webbings. There is even a dual key fob keyring. This organizer is also mole compatible, which means it can be integrated in your tactical vest or backpacks, for example. On the outside we have a main front pocket and it comes with two paracord velcro attachment loops. Hence why the FTIM stands for Fast Totally Integrated Maximizer, as they call it. So with our storage target out of the way, let's tackle each item one by one. So on the outside I have in the front pocket a survival space blanket. Also there I have attached this cute little foldable backpack, also made from Cordura, so it is very resistant and it will offer me up to a 20-liter cargo capacity. Also worth mentioning, everything I'm about to show you I will link down below in the description. Now let's move inside. The first item from the left is my main flashlight. I put it here so I can turn it on easily and illuminate quickly the rest of the pouch without taking it out. It's an Olight Nova H2R with a brightness level up to 2300 lumens, which is impressive. If you put it in survival eco mode, it will last you up to 45 days of non-stop usage for 1 lumen output. Plus the bottom is magnetic, so you can attach it to some metal surfaces. Next we have a quick sun lotion spray to protect your face, for example. Then this small Ziploc bag houses some flint reserves for my main lighter, which I will show you later. This tube is a bug repellent spray, again very handy, and I used it once before and it doesn't smell that bad when compared to other lotions, so it's a really cool one. Also on it I have this pocket clip for my flashlight. Now that's my headlamp strap, which comes with the Olight flashlight, and it's very cool since it's a two-way strap, plus the socket is magnetic for extra security of the torch. That's the charging cable for the Olight, and it's really easy to use since it's magnetic. A standard USB Type-C cable as a backup for my phone, and the power bank, which I always have on me separate to this. A must-have item, the classic Sharpie. Now these are really cool. They are called Uco stone-proof matches and they are big. They come with their own seal tube, and as you can see the O-ring here, so they will be safe on moisture. Also they have an outside striker and some backup ones inside. And as you can see, this is why they are called the Titan variant of the range, because they are so big and thick. I will do a separate review for them soon. Now for the other half of the interior. From right to left, here is my paracord. This one is quite cool since it is a 10-strand cord, from which 7 are your classic polyester ones, 1 is from cotton, then the yellow one is a fishing line, and then the red strand has wax, so you can use it as tinder. Now that's what I call a multifunctional item. I bought a 100 feet pack and managed to put in that elastic side webbing almost 1/3 of it, which is not bad. As you know, a cord itself to have is very handy, but this one with those 3 extra specialized ones, it's even better. I just love it. No survival bag can be made without a knife. My heavy duty folder is this one, the beast I call it, the mighty Hinderer XM24 with a 20 CV blade. Of course, this is way too expensive for this list, so here you can add any knife that you really want. But everything I have and buy, I intend to use them. This is the only heavy duty folder that I have. So for me this is perfect for this scenario. I mean, just look at that blade thickness. Alternatively, if you want a fixed blade, for example, I would recommend the SAE Zula 2 since it's under 7-inch total length and should fit this bag perfectly. Plus it's relatively cheap for around $60–70. Now here is another heavy duty use item. This is the Leatherman Surge, basically their biggest multi-tool they have in their offering. I just love it since all of the main tools can be accessed with one hand and everything is overbuilt. Also, I will do a separate review for it because it's so awesome. This is the best seal lighter that I could find. It's called the Maratac Peanut XL and it's made by Canticom. It's just an amazing item. I have the small variant of this also on my keychain, and the main selling point here is the fact that it's fully sealed and waterproof, which means the fuel inside will not evaporate as fast and it will last you way longer than any classic Zippo type lighters. And as you can see, when I was filming it was pretty windy outside and the lighter had no problems to cope. I like to have 3 ways to start a fire, and here is the third one with a fire steel. This is the Swedish Fire Steel 2.0 Army variant, which has the thickest rod and it's rated up to 12,000 strikes. Also it comes with this handy whistle, which again is perfect since we love multi-purpose items. Another critical piece of gear is the water filtration system. This is the Sawyer Mini and it's rated up to 100,000 gallons of water. It's so handy since it's light and compact and it can be attached to a Coke bottle, for example. Or you can use it straight up with the included straw, and it even gives you a foldable plastic bottle for it. I will show that one later since I stored it in the medical kit. Now this is a lubricant pen, so I can have something for the multi-tool, for example. It's basically a Sharpie, but when you press on it, then the oil comes out. Now for the final piece, the medical kit. I got a basic one to start with, mainly for that separate red pouch, which fits perfectly in the side pocket of the Vanquest. I added some extra bits and now let's go through them. Okay, here is the foldable water bottle from the soil filter. It can carry roughly 450 ml or 16 ounces. Some paracetamol. A bandage tape. A tourniquet strap. Some Q-tips. A roll of bandage. Now these are really cool, basically super glue for your cuts called liquid skin. Then the straw for the Sawyer. A hand sanitizer tube. Some alcohol pads and iodine prep pads. Finally some gauze and some bandages. Basically I added the hand sanitizer, liquid skin and the ibuprofen. I will add more stuff along the way and of course feel free to recommend more in the comments. Furthermore, I plan to add a compass, a signaling mirror and the extra bit tool for my multi-tool and see what else will fit. So what else do you guys recommend that I should integrate in my pouch? Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Alex out.